Welcome to the journey of assembling and testing the Trevi ST-1300 Smart Bidet, a masterpiece of modern technology designed to provide maximum convenience and comfort. This is not just an ordinary household product, but a perfect combination of innovation and outstanding features. With advanced antibacterial systems, stainless steel self-cleaning nozzles, intelligent drying functions, and a luxurious design, the Trevi ST-1300 will elevate your living space, transforming every hygiene experience into perfection. Let's dive into each assembly and testing step to uncover the remarkable quality and technology of this product.
Preview.
The seat heating system is the first step and the foundation of the comfort Trevi ST-1300 delivers. The upper and lower heating panels are carefully integrated to ensure even heat distribution, providing a cozy feeling on cold days. This system is designed to operate efficiently with optimal energy consumption, bringing convenience without waste. The seat is ergonomically designed to provide maximum comfort during use. Combining the seat with the main body requires high precision to ensure stability while maintaining the aesthetic appeal of the product. This step establishes a solid foundation for the system's operation. The remote control, the brain of the system, is equipped with optimal functions for users to easily adjust all features. From water temperature and nozzle pressure to drying modes, everything is within your grasp. With its compact design, user-friendly interface, and responsive buttons, the remote control offers maximum convenience for users of all ages. The spray nozzle is the heart of the system, crafted from premium stainless steel, resistant to corrosion, and built for long-term durability. With its intelligent design, the nozzle can self-clean after every use, preventing bacteria and dirt accumulation. This not only ensures hygiene, but also guarantees absolute safety for users. The drive system is precisely calibrated to ensure the nozzle operates smoothly, silently, and with pinpoint accuracy. Every detail in this mechanism is designed to optimize the user experience. Now the nozzle is put to the test. We carefully check water pressure, precision spraying, and stability throughout its operation. Any minor issue is corrected immediately to ensure the nozzle performs flawlessly. The water tank, with its large capacity, is designed to ensure sufficient water supply for all system functions. Made from high-quality materials, the tank is not only durable, but also resistant to sediment buildup and easy to maintain. Precise assembly ensures seamless integration with the nozzle system. This integration ensures optimal performance while intelligently conserving water. This superior cleaning system is a testament to the product's efficiency and modernity. The touch-sensitive control panel, with its intuitive interface and sleek design, is carefully installed. We conduct initial testing to ensure functions like water temperature adjustment, drying modes, and soft closing lid control operate smoothly. The soft closing lid is specially designed to provide quiet operation and prevent slamming. This small detail significantly contributes to the elegance and tranquility of your bathroom space. The drying function delivers a gentle yet effective airflow for maximum comfort. Meanwhile, the advanced antibacterial system ensures absolute safety, creating a clean and hygienic environment. Every component is now connected seamlessly, forming a complete product. We perform a comprehensive final test to ensure all features function as designed. The product not only meets the highest quality standards, but also exceeds user expectations. And so the journey of assembling and testing the Trevi ST-1300 Smart Bidet is complete. This is more than just a utility product. It is a symbol of perfection in design and technology. The Trevi ST-1300 offers you an unparalleled hygiene experience, from comfort and convenience to safety and modernity. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Trevi ST-1300, elevating the quality of life, an essential addition to your home.